Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Hey, Nala. Hey, you going to get your ears checked?
Yeah.
We getting your ears checked? Hmm? Hmm? You got an ear infection? Hmm? Nala, Nala? Make you wanna holler? That's our girl.
No, no.
Good girl.
Stay.
No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times.
Let's harvest some lettuce this morning. These are some beautiful lettuce leaves. It's so quiet and peaceful out here this morning. I'm loving it. I love getting out here early in the morning in my garden before the rest of the world wakes up. Look at that lettuce, so pretty. And the leaves are so tender. And y'all know how I like them, young and tender. I won't eat these. I'll save those for compost because these have been touching the soil. And this soil, as you can see, is damp. Oh, I see some slime. Looks like snails or slugs. They leave that slime trail behind. That's how you know you've got slugs or snails. That's the telltale sign. Yeah, I'll throw that in my compost tea. Yeah. I think I may try to stand these up because I don't like them laying down like that. I've got to find, I might have some bamboo or something that I can use to stand these up better so that they're not sitting in the soil looking like that. We want them nice and green and pretty like this at the top.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
The wind feels amazing this morning. It's been so hot. And these are carrots. Here, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stand these up so they're not in the soil. And these carrots are acting wild and crazy. I think these are more salad greens here. Young and tender salad greens. Is that a worm? Yeah. Okay. This one's, wow. That one's bursting. Hope nothing got inside of it. I'll see when I get inside. Let that one stay on a little longer. These are coming along. Yeah, all of these are coming along. Yeah, let it get a little bit more color on those. A lot of the peaches on this tree, they have thinned themselves out naturally. I've got 2 growing there, but I'm just gonna leave it. Got a few here. Oh. These are all ready. Little yellow leaf there. Just toss over there. But yeah, look at that. Oh, these are ready. Oh, the ants know it too. Uh-oh. Look like the ants got that one. I didn't get out here soon enough. I'll let them have that. Wow. I better grab these other ones quick. They were so ripe, they are bursting open. There's another one here. Looks like the ants got it. Yeah, let's sit these here. Yeah, they're like bursting open. Yeah. Not a bad harvest so far. Got some goodies here. Got some eggplant. And I'm taking that. Young and tender, baby. Young and tender. Young and tender. See, it still has that shiny gloss on it. Perfect timing. Hope there's no bug in there, because I'm definitely going to eat it. So pretty. Okay, what else can we find? What else can we find? Oh, we got a yellow squash. Awesome. Yes. Very nice.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Got to thin out these onions here. Some Thai basil. Pop these tops. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, that'll be good with these lettuce wraps. Some of this Thai basil. Oh, look at my hibiscus. Loaded, loaded, loaded. Look at that beautiful flower. It's larger than my hand. So pretty.
So you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Here's some others that are drying. Yeah, lots of tea. Uh-oh. Beautiful. These are the sweet potato vines.
And perhaps I'm going back.
I'll get some of these sweet potato leaves. I think they are delicious. Yes. I love the sweet potato leaves. Okay. Nice little harvest coming together. Aha! It's ready. These tomato plants were getting beat up by the sun. Just way too much sun. They were fizzling out. This one too has fruit on it, but it was so dry. All right. And I think this is from leaning up against the cage here. It's on both sides. So that's still good to eat. Yes, I've been waiting for this first tomato. All right, first tomato. Oh, it's humid out here. Let's grab some sage as well. We'll pop those tops so that it bushes out even further. Yeah, I think I'm good.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass.
I am so happy with this harvest.
Lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.